Stop by and take a look at the 2023 GX 460. This 7-passenger utility vehicle is more powerful, capable, and versatile than ever before. Visionary in every sense of the word, the GX 460 boasts one of the tightest turning circles in its class, a suspension system that helps enhance your capability, and the best-in-class V8 fuel economy. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, braking assist, power brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.